So guys, this is one part of the life on the road, life on the truck. So I did that one before, since maybe 2015, when I'm not started, doing videos. So right now I'm gonna try to make a videos. I'm gonna try to help assist my husband to fix under the truck, underneath the truck. It's because I think there is a problem underneath. So he want to ask me a favor to just scroll down, roll down over there, climb or higda type. So yeah, let's watch this if I'm gonna it's work. So yeah, we're here now in Hollis, Washington truck stop. So tutulungan ko siya. So I'm gonna, today is mag-mechanic ko, truck mechanic. I'm gonna try to be a truck mechanic. So okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I'm up.
Get all the way under here. You need to just.
Uy, my head is.
Alright.
Oh my god, Jimbo. Okay. There.
Do you see how this is all shiny right here?
Yeah.
See that hose above?
Yes.
I need you to check on the top up there. That's why I need you to get under there. And I need you to check all the way across the top on both sides to make sure it's not rubbing.
It's not rubbing. That one?
That hose? No, that one. No, not that one.
This one? This one?
I pointed to it. That one.
This one?
This one. I need you to check all the way across the top.
It's not rubbing.
Not there. Rubbing on
This
this.
one?
No.
Oh, here.
Rubbing on this. Where would it touch to rub on this?
No, it's not rubbing.
You gotta look at the whole hose and make sure there's no rub. Yeah, it is. Hold on. Pull that hose back out this way.
Well,
Watch your hand. Not that far. I need to see it. You moved it too far. I can't see it now.
oh. Yeah. This one? Oh, yeah, it's rubbing. Yes. Oh, it's look, there is a hole, a
I
little.
can't see because it's not in my sight. I keep saying this is my sight. I told you moved it too far.
Yeah, but I saw it's rubbing.
Yeah, but I need to see. I can't. Put it so. Move it back. Okay.
It's rubbing.
Take a picture.
Okay, just wait.
That's why I told you I needed you to get under here and take some pictures.
Hey, kaka. Woo! So that one. So that's the problem of the truck.
That might be part of it.
Yeah, and then the hose over there is rubbing.
I have to figure out where the hose is going.
Here, the hose is here.
Yeah, but where's it hooking to?
Not hooking. It's already.
No, the hose. See, the hose is right there. Is it going to the top of the transmission? Is that what it's going to? You moved
Yeah,
it.
it's top here. Aray, sakit.
Or is it going behind?
Yes, here. See, it's at. Oh, it's.
Okay, that's what just popped off probably. Take a picture of it.
Okay. And up. Ay. Ay, kuot-kuot style. I don't know where it's gonna be. Uy,
Hold on.
truck mechanics ko, guys. I don't know how to kuot this.
Hold on.
I don't know where it's gonna be. This is the nag-pop up kanina, guys, at saka bumaho. Nag-ano siya. I don't know saan to. Ito is in the transmission.
Are you live feeding right now? So I had Anna crawl under. She's feeding her. And we found out that big hose over the top of the transmission had been rubbed. There's actually soot in the coolant, so I assume it's got to be here. Well, I'm not sure. That's what we're trying to figure out. I'm at the transmission.
This is
Trevor.
the line of the hose.
Yeah, I'm gonna FaceTime you.
This is the line
Alright.
of the hose. This hose, the line is going there. That one.
Trevor, I'm gonna give you my I'm gonna give you my.
Look, guys, but my husband starting to start the truck. Oh my God, takot ako. No air, nothing. Kapuya na ako sa
where's the
ilalim.
light, Anna?
Okay, the lights. Ay, hugaw na kayo niya akong ulo.
So the air
Ligo
dryer is
ko
right
nito.
there. Okay,
Kaya
hold on.
ilapas ko sa apong ito ang...
Here, Anna, take this. And that hose has got to go to something, Trevor.
Yeah, but she said there was no air coming out of it.
Yeah, which is weird, isn't it?
It is weird. I mean, I would honestly start by tracing that discharge line from the air compressor all the way back to the air dryer. I would start with that probably. And then,
What's this? This one? This one? Look.
You gotta have light and.
This one. Because all of that one, there is a wire, but this one is not.
oh, that's just a plug. That's a plug.
So that one is not
That
connecting.
one's- yeah, that one, there's nothing that goes to that one.
So go all, just keep going up, up. See, Anna, look over here for a sec. This is this frame rail. You see the same thing over there?
What's this one?
You see this? Anna, you see the frame rail over there? It looks just like this. Right there. Follow everything up towards the front of the truck. Other end down there.
I will follow the hose.
No, look. See the other end down there? See where my finger's pointing?
In the, what's that? In the
I know.
gasoline fuel?
No,
So
it
this
was.
is the hose.
It
the
was a
problem?
coolant line. I know what it is now.
Two. So that one, the second one in the middle, and then the middle and down over there.
See how the hose just ends right there? I see what it is now.
So this one, number two. This one. So where it's coming from? Oh,
That's
no
what-
connection here.
That's what I just said.
So this one is no connection.
Right. So that hose is not our problem.
No, no problem. This one, no connection. This is the line of the hose that
So we can take this
probably it's not gonna be the problem, but yes. Oh, go ang kamot. This is the life of mechanics. Ay, okay, this one. So no, not a problem. This one. Ooh.
Okay. Okay, so we're done with that hose. That's not what we need to worry about. Now I need you to come. What do you do with it? Okay. Now, up above your head, lay down on your back.
Ugaw na kay ko, guys. Ugaw na.
Up above your head. No, move your face. Lay on your back so your face is not in the way. Let's see, where is the purge valve? Right behind. See those wires on? No, down. No, down. See that? Okay. What's behind there?
This one.
No, not the hose.
This one?
I'm talking about what? Okay, it's not. And see if it's leaking right there.
This is purge bowl.
Yeah, don't push on it. That's the purge valve. So I want you to start there when I turn on the truck and listen and feel for air.
Okay.
And then work your way forward.
So I'm safe.
You're safe.
Even the truck is on.
Yes.
Okay.
There's no moving parts back here.
So my husband again, he gonna try to on the truck, and he told me. So I'm trying to look where's the air pressure, because the problem of my truck, our truck right now is air pressure. Nothing, no air. Over there. This area, it seems like there is an air. This area, there is a zh. Then the other side, this area, I don't know.
Can you tell from
Maybe
where?
there is a holes over here.
Hold on.
I don't know where is holes.
I'm going to turn the wheels of the truck. Don't get scared.
Takot ako, ano yung mukha ko. Oh my God, here. I don't know which in this area, but maybe it's normal. I don't know, but it's not no hole here. But
Well, where's
I feel the pressure of the air here.
Yeah, but where's the flashlight? So you can actually see what's going on up there.
So I find out this is the one that smelled earlier when the truck is when we're driving, and then this is the one. So, yay. I'm a mechanic already. I found the problem. So, this is the smell. I don't know what's this.
You there? No, he's not there. Why is...
So what do you think, guys? I'm past with the mechanic, truck mechanic. Ay, oh my God, kakabuya. I really find out what's the problem about our truck. So I sue it. Kapuya eh. For how many minutes, or I think half an hour to find what's the problem. So I found it. I find it. Nakita ko na. Oh my God, kakapuya guys. This is my itsura guys. Nagleggings ko kay para magbila-bila sa ilalim. Okay.